Here we go. Around, I don't even know, but they're gonna airlift me back to the old Mayo. Something's wrong with the ticker. Well, here comes my ride. Right there. That's for me.
Special ops unit.
Yeah.
Check it out. Getting wheeled in. She's sleek. She's clean.
What did you say? 285?
Yeah, 283. Danny threw a couple pounds on me. That's fine. Well, turns out I've got a little tumor on my adrenal gland. Gonna get that taken care of. Turns out you can pull your heart muscle after quadruple bypass. So, oh, and also that one of the arteries that they tried to bypass clogged up again. But don't worry, I don't need that one.